Now let's take question number 66. Let fx be a function as maximum of mod pi minus x or pi minus mod x, maximum of the two functions. Then which of the following statements is correct? There are four statements given over here. So how we can solve this question? Let's first draw the graph for mod of pi minus x, then for pi minus mod x. Let's plan this question. Here we can draw the curve. Let's first draw x-axis and y-axis over here. Now plan for the function that pi minus mod x. When you talk about mod x, it will be like this. Minus mod x meaning reverse. Pi minus mod x meaning it will be drawn, it goes in this fashion like this and then this one, right? Now when you consider the function another one which is given as mod of pi minus x, right? So when you talk about this function, you can simply draw this function like from here. So it goes like this one, overlapping here, and then it goes this way, correct? Now what would be the final function? When you talk about the final function, clearly you can say this is the next function, remaining one. So here y is equal to mod of pi minus x or x minus pi will be your final function, right? Now let's look at the four options. Lagrange's mean value theorem is applicable in the interval pi minus 1 to pi plus 1. This point is pi. So clearly in the interval pi minus 1 to pi plus 1, it is not differentiable. So first option is not correct. Rolle's theorem, same argument, not applicable. Symmetric about x-axis, clearly it is not. So obviously fourth will be the correct option. Let's see what is that. F of x plus pi. When you talk about x plus pi, it will be mod x. Is an even function? Yes, that's the correct answer. So the correct answer for this question is option number 4. I'm sure this question is clear. Let's move on to the next one, that is 67th question. A helicopter of enemy is flying along the curve given by x equals y square plus 7. A soldier placed at 7, 3 wants to shoot down the helicopter when it is nearest to him. The nearest distance is. Now let's understand how we can solve this question. First, let's trace the given parabola or the given situation. So for that we need the coordinate axis, correct? Then let's draw the parabola x equals y square plus 7. So how we can draw this thing? Let's trace it in this way. It is intersecting here at 7, 0. Now here you have a point 7, 3, correct? Now the question says you want to shoot it when it is at the nearest distance, meaning you are talking about the shortest distance which will be perpendicular like this, correct? Let's consider a point here as x, y or h, k. When you say h, k, it is lying on this curve. So h is k square plus 7. So this point is k square plus 7, k. Now shortest distance, let's say d be the distance. So square both sides, say d square is k square plus 7 minus 7 whole square, that is k4 plus k minus 3 whole square. Now differentiating this equation with respect to k, you get 4k cube plus 2 times k minus 3 is equal to 0. Clearly k is equal to 1 is one of the possible solutions for this equation. So here when you say 4k cube plus 2 times k minus 3 equals 0, k is 1. Now taking second derivative of it, d2 by dk square of d square is equal to 12k square plus 2, which is positive at k is equal to 1. So clearly it is minimum when k is 1. When you say k is 1, it becomes 8, 1. Now the distance is 8 minus 7 whole square, that means 1 plus 4, it's a square root. So what is the value? It's simply root 5. Therefore d equals square root of 1 plus 4, that is root 5. Let's check out from the given options. Root 5 meaning option number 2 is the correct answer for this question. Let's consider the next question now. the ratio of lengths of subtangents to the curve y equals x5 and y equals x7 if the tangents are drawn at points to the curve having same abscissa. So let's talk about this question. We have y equals x5, y equals x7. Now length of subtangent meaning y upon dy by dx. So we have two different curves. So we will be dealing with both one by one. So let's draw a line between the two and talk about first one. dy by dx is 5x4. Therefore, length of subtangent is equal to y upon y dash. Here you have x upon 5. At the same abscissa, let's consider x comma y. So x by 5 here. Here y dash is 7x6. So length of subtangent is equal to, you can divide x7 by 7x6. So it is x by 7, right? Therefore, required ratio. Just divide the two values. So first one upon second one, x by 5 upon x by 7, giving you 7 by 5 as the required result. Let's check out from the given options which of the following is correct. So yes, you can see 7 by 5 is available here as option number 2. So that's our correct answer. I'm sure this question is also clear. So time to move on to the next one now.